My name is Narayanan. I am the head of pre-sales for Rakuten Cloud globally. Joining with me is Vijay Tewari, head of product management, and Oni, SVP, head of sales for Rakuten Cloud.
One of the things that as we've interacted with customers, we've realized that there are many use cases for customers where the data and the compute needs to be at the edge. I'll give you some examples of these. So take a look at manufacturing, where let's say there is a manufacturing plant which is running a bunch of machinery in the factory, and you need some infrastructure next to it to run some core applications that are used for command and control and for analysis of the data that comes out as an exhaust from those manufacturing machines. That needs to run on the factory floor. That's a great example of something that requires to run at the edge, assuming the center being the cloud itself. Another example of this is retail. So, this morning at the keynote, you saw an example where McDonald's articulated how the use of Google Distributed Cloud in their stores is opening up new avenues for them to be able to utilize artificial intelligence and other assisting technologies, which greatly increases the efficiency and improves the customer experience in those stores. So basically what we are seeing is that the use of cloud technologies, but at the edge, is central to how a large number of our customers are going to be operating. And as AI sort of infuses its way into how we do our daily jobs, we will see more of AI use cases emerge because we've got the stateful and powerful edge infrastructure that's deployed.
The location of the store is very critical of what the footprint of people are walking into it. With AI coming to the play, you can predict between 9 and 5 o'clock what is the footprint of people coming, what is the profile of people coming. If you take the same store and put it in a household area, their buying pattern and the footprint pattern drastically changes. And all this retail or any of these stores run in a very, very tight margin. How do we increase productivity? The only way to increase productivity and efficiency is to take just-in-time inventory and basically manage these back-end and front-end. So that's why AI is playing a critical role in this.
But what's happening now is that as AI technologies are making their way into the edge, retailers are seeing a tremendous opportunity to sort of change the buying experience for customers, either by giving them on-demand coupons or by targeting specially a sales campaign to certain kinds of customers, or looking at how to maintain inventory management in the store. There are a whole host of new applications that can now be developed because now you have infrastructure that's powerful enough, and you've got this new AI technologies that can really create new sort of things that the customer can do on their premises.